Look at that, golden on the outside, soft and squidgy in the middle. This is proper old school bread pudding, the kind that Nan used to make. Honestly, one bite of this and I'm straight back in her kitchen, waiting for it to cool down while she tells me it's too hot. Today I'm going to show you exactly how she made it. No fancy tricks, no waste, just comfort food done right. We start with 400 grams of bread, and this is important, it doesn't need to be fresh. In fact, slightly stale bread is perfect. Nan hated waste, and this was her favourite way to use it up. Tear it up and pop it into a big mixing bowl. Pour over 600 millilitres of milk, then give it a little push down so everything gets covered. Now leave this to soak for about 10 minutes, this is where the magic starts. And once it's soaked, mash it up with a fork, but honestly, get your hands in there, it's easier. You want a thick, soft paste. Next up, 500 grams of mixed fruit, proper generous, just how Nan liked it. Then 100 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of self-raising flour to help hold it together, and 1.5 tablespoons of mixed spice. This is where the warm, nostalgic smell comes from. Beat 2 eggs and then straight into the bowl. Then melt 100 grams of butter and pour that in as well. Butter makes everything better, Nan was right. Give it a really good mix up until everything is combined. If you're enjoying this video and you love these old school recipes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more Nan inspired comfort food coming. Spoon the mixture into a 20cm square tin and smooth it out. Bake it at 160 degrees fan for about an hour and a half. When it comes out, let it cool slightly. Once cooled, sprinkle on some sugar and slice it up, and there it is. Simple, comforting, and all those memories. This isn't just bread pudding, it's childhood on a plate. If you make it, let me know how it turns out, and Nan, this one's for you.